Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two popular dash cams, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the G-Pop Dash Cam. Get ready for some serious road trip drama and hilarious jokes as we dive into this showdown. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, delivering crisp detail day and night. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control and a parking guard feature. But the G-Pop Dash Cam has Wi-Fi and phone app control for easy access and management of your recordings. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is built to withstand harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures. But the G-Pop Dash Cam offers a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service for added peace of mind. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is priced at $129, while the G-Pop Dash Cam is a steal at just $99. Here's what customers have to say about the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the G-Pop Dash Cam. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the G-Pop Dash Cam in video quality, features, durability, and price. Both are fantastic choices, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.